News at 6, I'm Mike Seeler.
And I'm Dawn Baker. The Effingham County Sheriff's Office is investigating today after a judge appears to have committed suicide in the county courthouse. WTOC's Shay Schrader joins us now live outside the courthouse.
Yes, good evening, Mike and Dawn. Effingham County Sheriff's deputies discovered the body of Judge Stephen Yeckel in a courtroom sometime between 10 and 11 a.m. on Tuesday. And though an autopsy has yet to be performed, preliminary investigations show that Yeckel shot himself. Effingham County Sheriff Jimmy McDuffie says it appears that Judge Stephen Yeckel shot and killed himself in a courtroom on Monday night, and it wasn't until Tuesday morning that his body was discovered. Yeckel had recently lost re-election to his seat as state court judge in a runoff and sent this resignation letter, which WTOC obtained from the governor's office, to Governor Brian Kemp on December 6th. Yeckel cited that only 6% of eligible voters cast a ballot in the runoff and said his position was, quote, too important to be decided by that few people. Yeckel's resignation would have been effective on Monday, the day he committed suicide, but Governor Brian Kemp didn't accept his resignation, writing back on December 12th that he made the decision to, quote, respect the will of the people of Effingham County. When asked if Yeckel left a suicide note, Sheriff McDuffie referenced Yeckel's letter.
We understand there was notes sent to the governor. Not sure yet what that is, but we'll look at that. But no note as right now.
Before his death, Yeckel had over 4 decades of experience practicing law and served as state court judge in Effingham County for 2 years. McDuffie saying this type of loss is unimaginable.
You know, this is never good for anybody. The family's distraught. I mean, it's supposed to be a happy time this time of year, and now they've got this. I can't imagine if they have anything that they need from us, we'll be available and make ourselves available to them.
We did reach out to the governor's office for comment, and they declined to comment, saying that they can't talk about pending investigations, though they did extend their condolences to Yeckel's friends and family. Now, all county facilities closed at noon today because of Yeckel's suicide, including the courthouse, which will resume operations normally on Thursday. The Georgia Bureau of Investigation is handling the autopsy of Yeckel's body, while the Effingham County Sheriff's Office will continue to lead the investigation. Reporting live in Effingham County, Shay Schrader, WTOC News.
Thanks so much, Shay. And as always, if you or someone you know needs assistance, there is help available. You can call the Suicide and Crisis Hotline. That number is 988. It's free and confidential. You can also text the crisis line. That number is 741-741. This is a free service, and both provide support 24/7 right away. You can find all that information on our website, WTOC.com. Well, new at 6, several